Hello to all subscribers, crypto enthusiasts and investors. My name is Harry Flores and I'm happy to see you all on my channel, where I talk about how to make money from cryptocurrency. Be sure to watch this video to the end, as in the next 5 minutes I will tell you how each of you can participate in the new airdrop and be guaranteed $500 each. Airdrop has just started, so there is still an opportunity to take part and make money. But I will tell you right away that this freebie will not last long, as the total amount is limited.
Hey there, I see you're interested in Pump.Fund's big event. I can safely call this the biggest airdrop of 2025. You could also get $100 or more. Just click the Get Pump Now button. You'll find the website link in this video's description. If you're not familiar with Pump.Fun, it's essentially the ultimate launchpad for meme coins. It's where simplicity meets viral potential. No pre-sales, no complicated contracts, just pure, unadulterated token creation. You launch, you build a community, and if the stars align, you pump. And what better name for a token on this platform than Pump itself? So, why is everyone talking about this? Because it embodies the raw, unfiltered spirit of Pump.Fun. It's about pure speculation, community power, and the dream of catching that next big wave. When you see a token named Pump on a platform called Pump.Fun, you instinctively know what it's about. It's a bold statement, a simple proposition, and it's captivating the early adopters. What are your thoughts on Pump? Is this the ultimate meme coin? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this dive into the wild world of Pump.Fun tokens exciting, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.